Want to know what the keepers of the light want to tell you? So let me first tell you what the keepers of the light are. So keepers of the light are different manifestations of God who have light within them, and they are keeping the light for y'all to absorb. And the keepers of the light deck have different gods in it. There is Jesus, Mother Mary, Shiva, all of them are in it. And I've already removed 3 cards I need to know. Again, make sure that you only take what resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate for you, maybe it's for someone else, because this is a collective message. The first card that I got is Lady Venus. So she is trying to say that you're getting a lot of downloads right now, and a lot of things that you don't understand is coming to you. But don't worry, she will send you the answers as well. She's not going to only send you the download, she will even connect the dots for you in the next few days. It is like matter of days or time, like maybe hours, that you will be able to connect these dots. Like now, I don't know if you heard, but there was like some bird car noises. So you will also, if you're getting these downloads, you will also get the understanding with it. Don't try to force the understanding before it's time. The downloads might not make sense to you now, but in next few days you will know what I'm talking about. Like for example, I even put a video about net worth and self-worth, and I just got these 2 words and I was like, I have to make a video. After I made the video, I understood what was the download trying to teach me. Videos are for you, and some videos I also resonate, because even I'm part of the collective, so little even I do resonate with it, not all of it. But from what I am getting right now, it's saying that truth is going to be revealed. Something about yourself or something around you, you're going to see the truth for what it is, and you're not like, you can't unsee it once you see it. Okay, it is something to do with maybe breaking out of the matrix, and once you break out of the matrix, you can't break into the matrix again. So something like that is what I'm getting. I don't know what exactly you might be experiencing. For different people it's going to be different, but there is something that is going to be revealed to you, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Stop trying to unsee it. Stop trying to change it up in your mind. Like, just because it is not the usual doesn't mean it's not true. The next card I got is Facing Your Fear. So and it's Kalima. So she's saying face your fear, because you don't have to be worried. Once you face this fear, you're going to experience a big spiritual change in your life. Whatever fear it is, it could be fear of showing up, fear of speaking up, fear of, it could be anything. Like, but I'm getting a really big fear. It is something that you're scared about putting out there, and because you are scared about it, you are not seeing the benefits. And she is encouraging you to put that fear aside and go and take or do that thing or do whatever is coming to you. Don't let fear destroy your life. She will help you with fear also. If you need any help, you can pray to Kalima and say, please take away this fear. So you can even ask for her help to get, like, to remove this fear out of your mind. If it is a fear of not being good enough, or fear of not having enough money, or fear of being judged, you can tell her to take this fear away from you. She will take it away, and you will never see that fear again in your life. But I am saying this is your chance. Like, I'm also over here, it's written, this is your chance to soar. So it's your time to fly.